Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So there is an important update for document upload which I am going to talk about in this video. And before that, what are the actual documents required you should know. So this exam is called Comedk UGET 2025, which is undergraduate entrance test. So this year's UGET 2025 exam date is Saturday 10th of May 2025. So that is the exam date, and registration for the exam will start from Monday, which is 3rd of February 2025 after 2 p.m. So I'll give the complete application form also as it comes and how to fill that application form, but you should also understand the complete calendar of events so that you don't miss on any of the dates. So as I mentioned, the exam application start date is 3rd of February to after 2 p.m. 17th February is when they will release the mock test online, and mock test is very important for you to start taking practice if you want to score good marks in Comedk and get the best college. So February 25 Monday the mock test is available, and I'll give the link at that point of time. 15th March is where the application end date. So last date for applying for Comedk 2025 is 15th March 12 noon, right? And then 11th of April after 3 p.m. you will be able to edit field. For example, if you do any mistake in the form and all, right, so you need to edit important details, but I say that fill it correctly for the first time and don't do any mistake. But even if you do small mistakes, it can be completed or corrected between 11th of April to 14th of April. After that 30th of April, right, when is the test admission ticket, or which is called the admit card. TAT or admit card is the same thing. You will be able to download admit card directly online. There will be no communication in the postal form will be sent to students, right? And last day for downloading the admit card is 10th of May 2025. So between these two dates you can download your admit card. Next date is 10th of May, Saturday, when you have to give the exams for Comedk and UniGoj 2025. And I will explain what is UniGoj also in later part. So after the exam is over, right, they will publish the provisional answer key. So date for publishing the answer key is 14th May 2025 11 a.m. onwards. Then you can correct the number, you can check how many numbers of answers are correct, and they will upload the whole of your mark sheet what you have filled, right, so that you can see that you have what you filled and what was the correct answer. 16th May Friday, this is the last date for raising objections or challenging the answer key provided by Comedk authority. In that case, you can raise the questions or the answers which are not correct as you think, then they will take action on that. 21st May will be the date when they will actually release the final answer key. This will be the final answer key. After this, they are not going to entertain any other query regarding the wrong answers, right? And 24th May is the date where they will disclose the test scorecards, basically your marks as well as your ranks. So I will cover different videos at different point of time covering all the parts. Now comes the important details which you also require is the fees details, right? So Comedk, there are two exams, Comedk UGET, and students can also give Comedk and UniGoj. So I'll explain Comedk UGET, or explain that it is available for application to BTech courses in Karnataka Engineering College. Fees will be 1950 plus convenience charge, approximately 2000 rupees you have to pay. And this syllabus stream is for the PCM, physics, chemistry, maths. Now also there is another exam which is called UniGoj. It is basically for the private universities across India. Large number of private universities in India also use the UniGoj score, right? And you don't have to give another exam. It is the same exam. You get two different scorecards. Basically, one is called Comedk scorecard, second is your UniGoj scorecard, and the rank of UniGoj. With this UniGoj rank, you can apply for all the private universities across India. Some of them are in Karnataka, rest of them are outside Karnataka, across India. So if you want to be considered for both of them, then you will have to pay 3,200 plus convenience charge. Approximately 3,300 rupees will include UniGoj plus Comedk both scorecard.
Documents which are required for general merit. This is for GM. This is not applicable for KKR. KKR is the next section which I am going to cover. So for general category students, original ID proof, PAN, passport, voter ID, driving license, any other government ID proof. That's your ID proof. Date of birth proof of candidate is like PAN, passport, voter ID, any one of them you can use. 10th marks card and the birth certificate are also you can use. PUC or the 12th standard or equivalent marks card, do not crop top and bottom of the marks card while uploading. So you have to upload the full marks card of 12th, right? And also information including QR code should be clearly visible. So if there is a QR code on your 12th mark sheet, it should be visible. Don't crop it. Admit card or the hall ticket information, right, which you have got of 12th or the standard or class 12 PUC equivalent exam. So this is basically not the Comedk admit card. This is class 12th class admit card, and the Comedk admit card is the next part, which you see last in the sheet, right? Comedk admit card. Then if you have done any improvement or supplementary mark sheet, then if that is applicable, you have to put that also. And then domicile certificate, this is only applicable to students who have scored between 40 to 45% in 12th class. So this is only applicable students of Karnataka who have scored less marks, but there is no reservation or quota in Comedk. It is just for making up your qualifying criteria, which is class 12th marks. Since you have got it less, they are asking you to put SC/ST OBC certificate because you are exempted from particular percentage marks. So this is only qualifying criteria, but there is no reservation for SC/ST OBC as such. So that was the document set for general merit category students. Now let's see the document set which is required for Kalyana Karnataka region KKR seats, right? For them also they need candidate original ID proof, date of birth as I mentioned earlier, and PUC 12 standard equivalent marks card, right? Again the same guideline, you should not crop it the marks from the top, or QR code should be visible correctly. And same class 12th admit card, Comedk admit card, improvement or supplementary mark sheet, everything has to be there. And this is additional, this is not required by GM category but only required by KKR students, which is candidates claiming KKR HKR region should upload the KKR region certificate or the HK region certificate. Only after that you will be able to claim the KKR benefits, right? And it should be in the name of the candidate, right? So certificate should be in the name of the candidate, not in the name of parents. It should be in the name of candidates, issued by Assistant Commissioner in charge of Revenue Subdivision, right? And here also if students have got the lesser marks and they are from Karnataka, then basically they can upload their SC/ST OBC certificate. But this is again for only for the perspective of lesser marks you have got in the qualifying examination. But there is no reservation based on the caste here. So only two categories, GM category and KKR category in Comedk.